Damnum sine injuria. Introduction. Damnum sine injuria is an important maxim under the law of torts. It explains situations where a person suffers damage or loss, but there is no violation of any legal right. In such cases, no action lies under tort law. Meaning of damnum sine injuria. To understand this maxim, it is necessary to know its literal meaning. Damnum means damage or loss. Sine means without. Injuria means legal injury or violation of a legal right. Thus, damnum sine injuria means damage without legal injury. Explanation. This principle explains that mere damage is not sufficient to constitute a tort. Even if a person suffers loss, harm, or inconvenience, it does not amount to a tort unless there is infringement of a legal right. Law does not provide remedy for every loss. Essential elements. For the application of this maxim, the following conditions must be present. There is actual damage or loss to the plaintiff. There is no violation of any legal right of the plaintiff. The act of the defendant is lawful. Case law, Gloucester Grammar School case, 1410. Facts: the defendant opened a rival school near the plaintiff's school. Due to competition, the plaintiff suffered financial loss. The court held that mere competition causing economic loss does not violate any legal right. Therefore, the plaintiff had no remedy. This is a classic example of damnum sine injuria. Examples. The concept can be understood clearly through simple examples. If a trader opens a new shop and attracts customers, the existing trader may suffer loss. This is damnum sine injuria because there is no legal injury. If a person exercises his lawful right which causes loss to another, no action lies under tort law. Importance of the maxim. This principle plays an important role in limiting the scope of tort law. It prevents unnecessary litigation for lawful acts. It protects lawful competition and individual freedom. It draws a clear distinction between moral wrong and legal wrong. Difference from injuria sine damnum. Damnum sine injuria should be clearly distinguished from injuria sine damnum. Damnum sine injuria means damage without violation of legal right and is not actionable. Injuria sine damnum means violation of legal right without actual damage and is actionable. Conclusion. Damnum sine injuria clearly establishes that every damage does not give rise to legal action. For a tort to be actionable, there must be violation of a legal right. This maxim helps maintain a balance between individual freedom and legal responsibility under the law of torts.